Hi, my name's Caitlin with Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Jennifer this morning on sending you guys this video. It's just some tips and tricks on how to add some stuff to your guys' website to get some more clients. So I'll go through three quick things today. It'll be content, backlinks, and citations. Excuse me. So when I talk about content, I'm really just talking about this writing you guys have on your front page. So your home page needs to be anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words to get Google to recognize that you guys are, kind of dominating your industry and top in your industry, and you really know what you're talking about. So right now you guys have approximately 560 words. So there's a lot that we could do there. We need to get you to ideally 1,500 words on this front page. And you guys can do that yourself. You can just get a content writer or somebody else to really just write some stuff about your guys' business and your services. Another helpful tip is all of these pictures need to be saved as something that has to do with your business. So the title of the picture needs to be a lot of keywords that people search for when they're looking for dentists in your area. Excuse me. So another thing that we'll talk about, like I said, are backlinks. So you guys have a lot of backlinks, but the main number I want to look at here is your DR, or your domain rating. 11 is a good start, but the higher this is, the better you guys rank on Google. Right now you guys have 375 backlinks on 76 different websites. So that's a really good, healthy number. What I would really look at is how strong these backlinks are. So we always say backlinks and citations are not created equal. So if you guys have 375, but with your domain rating being 11, I would assume maybe 50 to 100 of those are actually good backlinks. You really want whoever's doing this for you to go through and make sure they're quality backlinks. And if you guys don't know, what those are just links on other websites, so referring domains that come back to your guys' website. So when someone's reading a blog or an article, it will talk about dentistry and they'll click dentist and it'll come back to you. Another great thing to look at is organic keywords. So you guys have a lot of keywords on your website, which is really great to start. So when you click that, you're really looking at the volume of how many people are searching per month. So First Dental, which is your guys' company, 1,100 people are searching per month. But that difficulty is 34. The higher the keyword difficulty, or KD, is, the harder it is to grab people from that, because you have so many different companies competing for that one word or that one phrase. Let's see, but there's so many people searching for that, so that one's really good. You guys are only getting 24 people from 1,100 that are searching for that, because you guys are number 6. So for First Dental, you guys are number 6 on Google, which means you want to be, which is actually pretty good. You want to be within that first 5, but as long as you're within the first 10, that's a good start because you're on the first page of Google. Some other things I would look at here is a lot of it is just your guys' name. You really want someone that's, and I'll show you on the next part, but you want some that's a little bit of a bigger lay that will have a lot more search volume. You want over 150 ideally. And see here, you guys are number 16 for teeth inlays. So you're only getting 1.5 customers per month. So, sometimes 1, sometimes 2 customers a month from 200 people searching. Okay, and so now I'll go through your competition, but I'll kind of step into how I found your competition. So, right here, dentist in Brockton, MA. That is one of the bigger key phrases. So that has 400 people searching a month with only a 4KD. So 4KD meaning not a lot of people are competing for it, but there's over 400 people a month, customers a month, searching that on Google. So if we go through here, this I'm sure you guys have seen when you're searching for restaurants or where to get your hair done or things like that. If you have a phone number out here, it is so much quicker. If you guys can get your customer to anywhere from 1 to 3 clicks of getting a hold of you, that's kind of that golden area. So you want a phone number out here, but these guys are up here because they're in the GMB, Google My Business. So what you do is you register your business with Google, you get a postcard with a code on it, you put that into Google, and now you're registered with them. So when you register with them, you will also do citations, which we'll go through here in a second, but that will get you up here on what we call GMB. Down here is your organic listing. So this is where you guys fell number 6, and that's really good. But that number 1 organic is because they have quality backlinks and they have more content on their page. And so that's really where you guys want to be. If you can be in both, which they are, they're number 1 here, number 1 here, they're getting a lot of customers. Now with that, this is not a hard company or website to really beat out because they only have 560 words on their front page. And they don't look like, oh yes, they have them right here. So they have services right here. And on all these other smaller pages, you want anywhere from 500 to 750 words on those pages. So as they go through here, you know, their website looks pretty good, but I kind of like your guys' a lot better. The layout's a lot easier to look at. Now, if we go into this program here, let me go back a little bit. Their domain rating is not that high. It's a 1.1. You guys are at 11. So already beating them there, and you are beating in how many backlinks and referring domains, but these are more quality domains, which is why it's shooting them at the top of Google. As well as they have a lot of keywords here, and I'll show you, that are larger than just their dentist's name, their business name. So they have what I searched here, dentist in Brockton, MA. That's 400 people with a 4KD. They're position number 1. This is really important to look at. Position 1, 1, 1. There's 1, 2 there. But they're mainly that first page for all of these giant keywords. See how many people are searching per month? This is how many customers they're getting. So when someone searches that, they click them and call them, and they're getting 126 people out of that 400, 59 out of 200. So there's a lot there that we can help you guys with, and make sure that a lot more people are calling you and we get you into that position 1. The next part that we look at are citations. So citations are simply your name, address, and phone number on all these different online sites that are pretty much the white pages for the internet. So we would put your name, address, and phone number on as many as we possibly can, and that will rank you in that Google My Business area. So they have 11 and you guys have 41. So let's see here. Yep, you guys have 41. So with 41, that's a good start, but they seem to have better quality citations. And honestly, that's not hard to beat. We want to get you guys to 350, anywhere from 350 to 500 citations on your site for your Google My Business. So I know that's a lot of information. It's kind of a longer video. I will email this to you, and if you guys have any questions or are confused about anything, please give me a call, email me back. I would be more than happy to help you further. My phone number is 405-627-2693, and my email is my first name, Caitlin, at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.